Everyone dreams of a home that looks and feels expensive. But what if you could create that high-end style without breaking the bank? Imagine turning a simple $300 IKEA unit into a piece that looks like it came from an exclusive designer showroom. Sounds magical, right? The truth is, you don't need a millionaire's budget to get luxury. DIY transformations, known as hacks, have become a sensation for this very reason. People all over the world are taking ordinary items and making them extraordinary. IKEA is at the heart of this movement. Its basic, affordable pieces offer the perfect blank canvas for creativity. Suddenly, a plain storage cabinet can become a statement piece. This essay reveals exactly how to make one of these legendary transformations. You'll learn how to turn the humble IKEA Besto unit into a designer-inspired credenza. The best part? It costs under $300 for the base, and the result would fool even the keenest eye into thinking you spent $5,000. Ready for your home to look like it belongs in a glossy magazine? Let's start this journey together and create something truly special. The IKEA Besto storage unit is our hero for this project. Why Besto? It's one of IKEA's most versatile and popular products. This simple boxy piece can be found in homes everywhere, thanks to its clean lines and affordable price. But its real magic is how easy it is to customize. Designers often use similar silhouettes when creating ultra-expensive credenzas and sideboards. That's why the Besto is the perfect starting point. Paired with clever upgrades, it gives you the look and function of a $5,000 designer piece without the cost. Our inspiration comes from high-end furniture brands like West Elm, B&B Italia, and CB2. These companies sell gorgeous statement credenzas for thousands of dollars. The good news? You can get the look for a fraction of the price by starting with Besto and adding a few thoughtful touches. We'll walk step by step through the process, starting with the exact configuration you need. For this hack, we recommend the Besto 2-door unit, 47¼ by 15 and 3/4 by 25¼ inches, in white or black brown. It's the perfect size for living rooms, entryways, or dining areas. Before you begin, gather all your materials. Having everything ready makes the project smoother and more fun. You'll need an IKEA Besto 2-door unit, 4 stylish legs, 2 designer handles, wood-look contact paper or paint, and decorative trim. Don't forget basic tools like a screwdriver, measuring tape, craft knife, glue, and a drill. Lay out your supplies and double-check everything before you start. Step 1. Assemble your Besto unit according to the instructions. Don't attach the original legs or handles just yet. Wipe down the surfaces to remove dust and fingerprints. Step 2. If you're painting, lightly sand all visible surfaces. Wipe away dust. Prime, then paint the unit in your chosen color using a roller for smooth coverage. Let it dry completely. For a faux wood look, apply wood-look contact paper, smoothing out bubbles with a card or squeegee. Step 3. Measure and cut your decorative trim or molding. Carefully glue it onto the door fronts, creating a framed or fluted effect. Press firmly and let it dry as directed. This small touch gives the piece a custom, expensive look. Step 4. Attach your new hardware and stylish legs, following manufacturer instructions. For extra glam, spray paint the handles or legs gold before installing. Check carefully that everything is level and secure. Nothing ruins a luxury look like a wobbly shelf. Alright, so details really matter when you want that proper designer look. Take your time with each step and focus on making every line clean and precise. When you're applying contact paper, just use a sharp craft knife to trim the edges. Go slowly to avoid air bubbles. Patience here really pays off. Choose hardware that feels weighty and looks expensive. Try to avoid plastic. Instead, go for metal or wood handles with interesting finishes. If you're painting, consider a satin or eggshell sheen for a subtle glow. High gloss can also look luxe, but it does show fingerprints more easily. Oh, and don't forget to add felt pads under the legs to prevent scratches and keep the unit nice and stable. If your trim or molding has gaps, fill them with wood filler and sand smooth before painting. This little trick makes your piece look like it was professionally crafted. Finally, style your new credenza with bold accessories, maybe a large vase, some modern art, or a stack of design books. The right styling draws attention to your creation and makes it the absolute star of the room. It's easy to get excited and rush the process, but that's when mistakes happen. One common error is skipping the prep. Always clean, sand and prime before painting or adding contact paper. This helps finishes stick and last longer. Another issue is uneven trim or crooked hardware. Double-check your measurements before cutting or drilling. Use a level to keep everything straight. If you misalign holes for handles, you might need to patch and repaint. So measure twice, drill once. Don't overload the shelves with heavy objects before the glue or paint has dried fully. This can cause warping or smudging. Patience is key. Also, cheap contact paper can peel or bubble. Invest in quality brands for a smoother, longer-lasting result. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Nearly everything can be fixed with a little creativity and patience. DIY is about learning as you go. Remember, even professional designers don't get it perfect on the first try. IKEA hacks are more than just a trend, they're a movement. People love turning budget finds into custom creations. Why? First, it's affordable. You can get a designer piece for a tiny fraction of the real deal. Second, it's customizable. You pick the colors, finishes, and hardware that match your style. There's also a huge sense of pride in saying, "I made this myself." Your home becomes a reflection of your creativity, not just your spending power. Every hack is different, which means your space is truly one of a kind. Social media is filled with inspiring before and after photos. These transformations spark joy and motivation for others to try their own. Plus, sharing your success online connects you with a community of fellow design lovers. Most importantly, IKEA hacks let you keep up with trends without guilt. If your style changes in a few years, you can easily update or redo your piece. It's sustainable and exciting. Two things everyone loves in home design. Take Sophia, a young teacher in London. She wanted a chic sideboard for her new flat, but designer prices were out of reach. She followed this hack, painting her Besto emerald green and adding brass pulls. Now friends always ask where she bought it and can't believe it's IKEA. Or look at Mark, a dad in Chicago. He used wood-look contact paper and slim black legs to create a media console that looks straight out of a luxury catalogue. His total cost was just $320 versus the $2,000 he had budgeted for a similar designer piece. DIY blogs and YouTube are filled with similar stories. People from all walks of life are proving that style doesn't have to be expensive. Many even sell their finished pieces, turning a fun hobby into a side business. These stories show that anyone can do it. You don't need special skills or tools, just imagination and a bit of time. If they can transform their homes, so can you. Now it's your turn to create a show-stopping piece for your home. Imagine the feeling when guests admire your designer credenza and you know you built it yourself for less than $300. That's thousands saved and a huge boost of pride. Don't be afraid to try. Start small if you need to, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. The best part of an IKEA hack is making it your own. Choose finishes and hardware that speak to your style. Share your finished project with friends or online. You'll inspire others and join a warm, creative community. Plus, you'll have a unique piece that looks like it came from a luxury showroom. Ready to dive in? Gather your tools, pick your colors, and start hacking. Your dream home is just a weekend away.